So guys, this is a throwback of one of the vehicles that we built. This just started off as a E30 318i. I had about 160,000 on the clock, or 180,000 if I can remember. Anyway, dumped the 318 motor out and we went with the M20. Then later on, we decided to go with a M30B35 from the E32 735i, which was also automatic. So this motor was actually quite good. Just the timing chain was broken, or the timing chain guide was broken. Anyway, we stripped it onto a head block and sump, redone the guides, and then we started what we do best. We also started powder coating basically your timing covers, your cam cover, your timing cover, your intakes, your what's this thing called, your tappet covers, your throttles, and all other niggly dress uppers. Anyway, we opted to go for the black and gold look for this vehicle. Because of the vehicle being white, we chose this color here as well. And yeah, look, it turned out very well afterwards. So you'll see later on as we put the car together how this here all panned out. So anyway, again, this is a slideshow because I did not take any videos at the time. I'm kicking myself right now. But anyway, so as the build went on, we basically managed to get a 260 Getrag from an E30 535 with a flywheel and a new clutch kit for the car. We also went with a custom 3:4:6 ratio LSD. And as the motor went in, you'll see we still used it with orange injectors, but the whole theme of this car was to try and keep it as OEM as possible. So here we started playing around with, obviously the dummy airflow meter was in place because we ran with a aftermarket management. And then we started playing around with your different figures of airboxes. So this airbox here was from a E12 535. But because of the tappet cover brackets and the brackets on the firewall with knocking here and knocking there, we didn't want to modify it too much. So anyway, that shows us mock-ups of the vehicle at the time. And now in a slideshow 2, you'll actually see the final fitment of the engine. So this here was the final fitment. Anyway, we opted to use the E32 airbox with the original piping and so on and so on. We kept with the E32 water bottle or expansion tank, and we moved it up to the firewall just to help with gravity flow of the water pressure, because we do know that these motors do heat up quite a bit. We also maintained we also moved the washer bottle over to the left hand side instead of the right hand side of the car. We relocated the coil of the vehicle. Then we used the 6-cylinder radiator and we had to maneuver the fan to the front. But using the aftermarket management system, we were able to run an electronic fan as to the viscous, which will not fit between the radiator and the engine. This whole setup tuned out 129 kilowatts on the dyno, which was healthy for the dyno that we used. This is JNH Transport's dyno, or Jose Matias's dyno. And to put into perspective quickly, a M54B30, very strong vehicle, made 120 kilowatts on that dyno. This guy here made 129 kilowatts on that dyno. Anyway, over to the interior, we ended up using the Recaro or sports seats from the E12 535. We thought that this year the theme would be different in this vehicle and the seating would be different, and we just wanted to make it different as to using the normal E30 sports seats, which I think we accomplished it. The seating was a bit higher as to the normal setup, but the overall drive and feel of the car was really good. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The link will be above.